Welcome to video 3 of how to use Templett.com to make passive income with Etsy, Shopify, or WordPress. Now in this video, I'll be talking about how to buy digital assets for your templates the right way without breaking any rules. So the legal stuff that can be quite complicated. So you want to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if you ever get stuck and can't find the next video in the playlist, all you need to do is click on the description area below this video to see the link to the following video and so on. These instructions will be the same for each video. Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to turn your passions into profits, please subscribe. I do upload weekly videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos I upload to the channel. I wanted to make sure that I cover the legal stuff that I don't see too many people talking about when using sites like Templett. When you buy digital assets, which are like clip arts or fonts for your designs, you need to make sure the license can be used on print on demand, made to order, download on demand, or create on demand applications. So, for example, many sites like Creative Market prohibits anyone from using their digital assets in sites like Templett, even if you purchase the commercial or extended license. So make sure to read the terms of use when buying any digital assets, no matter what site you're going to. And if you don't understand the verbiage, email the company or the seller to get clarification. Now, one of the sites that I work with that allows to buy digital assets that you could use on Templett is Creative Fabrica. I will leave my referral link right below this video. Now, please note that the price can be different from designer to designer. That's really up to the designer and is usually around 5 to 10 times the regular price. So it can be a lot more costly to use them on sites like Templett. Now, the best way is to go to Creative Fabrica, shop around, and if you see a product you like that includes fonts or graphics, send an email to hi@creativefabrica.com, letting them know that you would like to buy that particular product to use on Templett. And Creative Fabrica team will handle the communication with the designer, agree on a price, and they will set up an invoice for you. I will leave all of the details in the description box below. Now, feel free to shop around to see if you find other sites similar to Creative Fabrica that sell digital assets for sites like Templett. If you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, don't forget to leave your comments right below the video. And I will see you in the next video.